Hey everyone, Mirza here at Heartbeat, and today what we're going over is how Heartbeat's invitation system works. So the way Heartbeat's invitation system works, by clicking on your face in the bottom left over here, you can visit your settings and you can go to invites. So this is where all the invitations live. The way you can actually send out invites to people is you'll hit create an invite over here. And now on this screen, you get a couple options. So one, you can pick the role that they have. So this is the level of permissions that they have in Heartbeat, what they can change in Heartbeat. So we have it set so administrators can change, modify anything. They can invite new members. They can do whatever they want. Moderators can only create events. So that's a setting that we set up in our Heartbeat community specifically for this demo. And then users don't have any permissions to change anything, but they can come in and view and comment and DM people. So let's make an invite link for all the users that we want to invite on board. So I'm going to click user. The second thing that I can do is I can grab any of the groups that I've predetermined or I've predefined here on Heartbeat. And I can also make this invite link directly tie back to those users. So I'm going to grab class 1. And that means this invite link that I have is going to, every time somebody signs up through this invite link, it's going to automatically pop them into the user role and into the group for class 1. So they'll have access to all of the channels, all the docs, and then all of the events that class 1 has access to. And so they'll automatically get that upon sign up. So now in the bottom over here, I can add in emails optionally if I want to. If I don't want to, I can leave this blank and I can hit create. And what I can do now is I can copy this link and I can send it wherever I want. So if I want to send this into my MailChimp emails as I'm notifying my community that, hey, I want to bring you guys on Heartbeat, I can send this to people one-on-one. I can drop this, in my team's messaging system and start inviting people from my team onto Heartbeat. So this is the easy way to go ahead and do that. When you actually add in people with emails, so over here you can click send additional invites, and I can type in emails for a couple people. So I'll put Britta@example.com, and then I'll put in Jeff@example.com. And you can separate these with a comma. You can also just separate them with a new line. So if you drop it out of a Google Sheets and you paste it into here, you drop it out of Excel and paste it into here, all the formatting's taken care of for you. You don't need to change anything. And I can go ahead and hit send. And now when these guys fill out their invite, I will actually see the status of who has gotten onboarded, and so I'll see this percentage number change. So when you send out an invite, you drop 50 emails on there. It's really easy to see who has and hasn't accepted, how close you are to getting that full batch of 50 onboarded to Heartbeat. And if I want to create another invitation, so let's create one for just the administrators. These are other people that are going to join me on Heartbeat and help change and move things around. I can do that. Don't have to select any groups over here. And then I can do the same thing over here where I can drop in an email. So I'll put dean@example.com. And I will create this and send this out to them. And so now I have 2 invite links that are live. I can even copy this link, send it over to people, copy this other link. So this one's still live too, send it over to people. If for any reason, one of my links has gotten compromised or I need to delete a link, just hit this delete button right over here. That instantly deactivates the link so nobody else can use that moving forward. Right now, links persist forever, so you can have this link open forever and always. So if you want to embed this into another workflow you have where it's on your site, or whether it's in some other shape or form, you put it on your Substack list, that's an easy way to do it too. And when you actually send these emails, what these emails are going to look like is they will be they're going to be just a basic email that shows you what Heartbeat is, and then a quick button to actually sign and join. So let me pull up an email for you guys right now. So here's an example of what one of those emails looks like. So this email just says, hey there, it says the actual community's name, and then this big button to click join community. So as soon as I click this join community button, it's going to launch me into, so this one I've actually deactivated the link, but when you use a live link, what it's going to do, so I can copy this, drop this into a new tab, and then this automatically allows me to start onboarding. So just type in my email over here, and then I can start writing in everything else. I've got my community name right over here too, so it's very clear what community I'm jumping into. Cool, thanks so much for watching, and let us know if you guys have any questions.